Arsenal fans set off fireworks outside Manchester City team hotel in the early hours of Tuesday morning, only to discover that Pep Guardiola and his players were not there. City face Tottenham in a huge Premier League clash this evening. Should the reigning champions win, they will go into the final day 2 points clear of title challengers Arsenal.
But if Spurs take points from them, the Gunners will be in the driving seat come Sunday. In a bid to hinder City's chances, Arsenal fans set fireworks off outside the hotel Guardiola's side were due to be staying at.
The Ashburton Army, an Arsenal supporters group, put on the display at 2 a.m. Read more on ARSENALSO. Close supercomputer predicts final Prem table as Arsenal battle Man City for title. Urban win a Land Rover Defender or £75,000 alternative from just 67p with our discount. However, Man City were still in Manchester at the time. The citizens had instead planned to travel down to London on Tuesday morning. Hundreds of tickets are still available for the match, with many Spurs supporters conflicted about the potential result.
Arsenal fans are desperate for Spurs to avoid defeat against Man City. Most read in football BRU'd awakening Fernandes ready to make FA Cup final his Man United swansong after quit hint Piers Morgan ill be biggest Spurs fan versus Man City. Here's how I imagine horrific day going. So close supercomputer predicts final Prem table as Arsenal battle Man City for title. Water shower workers start fixing Man United roof as leaking changing room vid emerges. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers. Sun Sport columnist Piers Morgan has even admitted he will become a Tottenham fan for the day. However, Ange Postecoglou insists his team are in it to win it. Arsenal's 5 season-defining moments. During his pre-match press conference, the Spurs boss said, "I understand rivalry.
I was part of one of the biggest ones in the world in the last couple of years with Celtic and Rangers. But I've never, and will never, understand if someone wants their own team to lose.
That's not what sport is about. It's not what I love about the game." He then went on to add, "Real success looks like trophies. Anything else in between, bragging rights, whatever, it is absolutely meaningless to me."
What do you think is going to happen? What do you think we are going to do as a team, or any team on this planet? Aren't we going to just try to win? It's a simple premise. How that makes people feel, I'm not really fussed and I don't really care. Meet the Arsenal wags from Strictly Starter. A flight attendant to Marley Benson, partner of Bukayo Saka. Benson and Saka have kept information on their relationship largely quiet.
They do not appear on each other's Instagram pages, but she was seen speaking to Saka at the 2022 World Cup. Helen Spilling, partner of Martin Odegaard, a professional dancer from Norway who rose to fame in the country's version of Strictly Come Dancing. The pair were first spotted together at the Football Awards in March 2023.
Sophie Weber, partner of Kai Havertz. Weber works as a model and social media influencer and is the most high-profile member of the group online with almost 400,000 followers on Instagram. They are childhood sweethearts, having grown up in the same neighborhood. Millie White, partner of Ben White. The couple got engaged in 2022 before tying the knot officially in May last year.
They have matching I love you tattoos on their wrists. Millie White works as a model. Laura Trossard-Hilvan, partner of Leandro Trossard. The pair met in 2014 before getting married in 2019.
They have 2 sons together, Tiago and Amadeo. Lauren Fryer, partner of Declan Rice. Lauren Fryer and Declan Rice have been together since 2015. She tends to keep a lower profile compared to some of Arsenal's other wags, but is no less stunning.
She sadly deleted all pictures on her Instagram after suffering horrific abuse by vile trolls. Georgina Ramsdale, partner of Aaron Ramsdale. Georgina Ramsdale works as a flight attendant.
The couple got married last June after the Arsenal star proposed in 2022. They originally met in 2019.